Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about PipeDrive Project Management. With PipeDrive's online project management software, you can keep track of all your tasks and collaborate with your team easily. Manage, track, and automate tasks. Getting started on a new project can be very time-consuming and challenging. You might end up with several due dates and long checklists. With Projects by PipeDrive, you can easily keep track of all of your project-related tasks. You can also group activities by phase and assign labels to help keep them organized. Keep your teams in sync. The key to successful project management is team collaboration. Having the necessary information and task lists across all members of the team can help avoid confusion. To keep everyone in the loop, add notes to your projects and contacts. You can also create shareable files and send notifications to team members using PipeDrive. To help keep track of team members' responsibilities, assign tasks to specific owners. You can also set specific due dates for each task. Large-scale projects can be managed separately and across different phases with the ability to create customizable boards. Eliminate data loss and tool fatigue. Keeping all of your project data on different platforms can expose you to risks of data loss and tool fatigue. With PipeDrive, your work can be streamlined and organized into a powerful tool. You can keep track of all your project details and connect with your CRM, allowing you to easily store and manage customer data. With PipeDrive, you can consolidate all of your project data into one platform, allowing your teams to focus on nurturing leads. Bring your emails into one tool. Priority should be given to contacting leads at the right time, but it can be challenging to keep track of all project-related emails as the company grows. With PipeDrive's email sync feature, you can easily see the conversations that you're having with your contacts. You can then link all of your emails to the relevant projects and deals by accessing them from within your project management and CRM platforms. Smart BCC is a feature that allows you to forward specific emails from your provider to your PipeDrive inbox. It will then link those threads to your contacts and projects. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.